Okay, here's something that you can try if your Christmas lights don't blink or they don't light up. I have one string here, and one or two of my bulbs are broken, but they still work because there's a shunt inside the bulb, and it will work as long as the shunt is intact. There's a little gadget that you can buy that you can make repairs to the shunt if the shunt goes bad. But if you don't want to spend the money, you can also use a piece of wire and stick both ends of the wires into the socket. Yeah, the bulb can be pulled out just like that, and then you put your jumper cable inside. There are two holes inside, so so assume this is a socket with a couple of holes, and this is where you normally insert the bulb. And instead of inserting the bulb, if the bulb itself doesn't light, or if the shunt, there's a little wire inside the bulb, if that is broken, you can pull the bulb out and just insert a jumper wire. So I have a breadboard wire that I use. This is like a jumper cable. You can use any wire that you can find that will fit into the two sockets holes inside. Sometimes when you see the whole string of light doesn't work, usually one of the bulb is loose. So what you do is just, twist the bulb a little bit, and then if it comes on, then you know that bulb is loose. Then just reseat it so it is tight, and the string should work again.